So this is a question that I get a lot if you're an SMMA owner when you're doing your pricing. A lot of people will ask, why is my ad spend not included in your service fee? Okay. So this is the way that I break this down. Okay. Number one, I go after, listen, I get that, you want an affordable option, but there's two reasons why ad spend can't be included. Okay. And this is where you would say, if I'm charging, well, this is okay. I actually want to do like a conversation with this. So I would say, did I explain, so client says, why is ad spend not included? You say, well, remember I told you our service fee, let's say it's $1,500, right? Remember I told you service fee $50? They would then say, yes. Well, if we required $50 to $100 an ad spend, does the math add up? Or like a day in ad spend, that means I would make zero money or negative $1,500 every month. Does that make sense? And then they'll say, oh yeah. And then you say, well, listen, you also can't include ad spend because Facebook compliant reasons. Okay, here's the part where it's like, if we use our card on file, we can, fire off some weird activity on the account that can get it disabled. Card on file has to match your name. So you are compliant. Okay. Fourth thing is this. If, you are running a business, you need to save more money on taxes, right? Yes. Well, ad spend in some areas is up to 70% tax deductible. Technically, you're saving 70% on taxes while acquiring more customers and leads. So if the cash machine is churning, you want to be spending as much. We agree on that. So that is how I take that objection. Okay, take it three ways. Okay, well, yeah. So if we require $50 a day in ad spend, that means I would make $0 or $1,500, negative $1,500. Does it make sense? You also can't include ad spend because of Facebook compliance reasons. And then if you're running a business, the whole tax deductible option. Okay, and the other thing is, if we, like, your card can control the ad spend too. Like, you wouldn't want someone else's card on there, because what if they sent you an invoice and wanted to spend more, and in the contract you had to suffice that ad spend? Would you be able to give up that spending control to somebody else? That's another thing, because a lot of business owners have a control issue where they want to control every single thing in the business. They still want to wear all the hats. So that's that emotional infatuation of like, hey, you actually don't want to have ad spend included because you can get, kind of murked. That's why we don't do it. Clients can't control their ad spend. So I appreciate you guys stopping by today's video. Hope this answers this objection for you. You can use this information moving forward on your sales calls. But other than that, see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace out.